bateu na piada.
Ai, episódio de hoje. As garotas da floresta do perigo. Os vilões fizeram gracinha com as três. E os aventureiros vão prender ela na prisão.
Ouch!
This is your last chance, player. Choose to be with one of us, or choose death.
I'll never leave, girlfriend.
So be it. Let's get 'em, girls.
Hello, everybody. As you can tell, this guy right here is me. And boy, have I gotten myself into a pickle this time. See, I made these three ladies very, very angry. They're all in love with me, but I'm in love with girlfriend. The game forced us to be together at first, but I like to think it was destiny. I'm just a gushy romantic, I suppose. Let's start with Servante. She's a demonic succubus nun that got the hots for me after I beat her then boyfriend Ruv in a rap battle. Once she finishes her transformation, she'll have big wings, fangs, and horns, and is going to be extremely motivated to kill me. Yet somehow she's the least of my worries. This lovable little psychopath's name is Monica. She's originally from another game called Doki Doki Literature Club, which sounds substantially less violent than it is. As you can see from these various glitch patterns, she's not just emotionally, but also physically unstable within our world. Anything can set her off, and that level of uncertainty is downright horrifying. But it's nothing compared to this abomination. Her name is Sky, and while she may seem like the girl next door of your dreams, she is nothing but a walking, talking nightmare. She's about to turn into her final form with big, glowing red eyes. She's straight up obsessed with me. Look at her hair and the shirt. This is fangirl at its peak toxicity. Yep, I am definitely about to die. And the worst part is that it's all my fault. Here, let me show you. To my biggest fan, Sans.
That rhymed.
Here you go, buddy.
Hey, boyfriend?
Player.
Right, sorry. Player? I was wondering, do you think you could play my mod sometime?
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
I don't know, you guys. I mean, I'm a pretty wanted man now. There's a lot of mods to get through still, and I've already actually played Undertale, so...
Oh, I understand.
It was nice to meet you, Sans.
Next!
Hi, fellow queermates. Remember me?
Girlfriend, hide! Imposter's about to murder you!
Oh, no. I'm not using this for killing. I wanted you to sign it. You're a legend, man. You finally won a game in Among Us, and now you're basically a god in Friday Night Funkin'. You're my hero.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks.
Is it safe?
Yeah, I think so. Here you go.
Hey, could you please change this to an O? I actually spell imposter with an O, not an E end.
Next! And who am I making this out to?
The name's, Anders.
Anders, why are you dressed like that?
Keep it down. I don't want the other mods to know I came to get your autograph. It's embarrassing.
Trust me, Anders, your mod isn't significant enough for people to remember your face.
Player.
Oh,
Anyways, here's your autograph. Smell you later.
thanks, I guess.
Player, I don't really like the way you're treating the mods.
What do you mean?
You are getting really full of yourself. When I first met you, you were so humble and sweet. You were barely able to beat my tutorial.
Yeah, but I got really good really fast. Am I just supposed to pretend like I'm not the best?
Yeah, kinda. Don't listen to her, player. You got to own it. Hello, player. Hey, we've missed you. All right, back off, ladies.
Relax, girlfriend. We're in a public place. They wouldn't try to kill or kidnap me here in broad daylight. Would you?
Of course not. All we want is a couple of autographs. We're your biggest fans. But you're not getting anything. I know. Oh, you three are up to something. Take a hike.
Girlfriend. I understand being tempted to hoard me to yourself, but I'm a gift to the entire world. When you date a rock star, you're gonna have to occasionally deal with some groupies. No offense.
Take it. Player, I am not just being jealous. You know how dangerous all three of these girls are. You have to choose right now. Me or them. Wow.
Wait, girlfriend, come back. I was just kidding.
No, you weren't. You were right, player. You're this universe's greatest rap battler. It's not fair of her to be the only woman in your life.
I mean, I am a sick rap battler, but she was right. I've been really smug lately. I need to apologize. Rain check on the autographs, ladies. Hey!
You're not going anywhere.
Ouch! Ouch indeed. Duct tape being ripped off your face hurts. But what hurts even more is realizing you let the love of your life down. I let girlfriend walk away, and now I'm probably gonna get murdered. Let that be a lesson to you boyfriends out there. Be respectful to your significant others. Anyways, let's see the excruciating way these monsters are going to kill me.
This is your last chance, player. Choose to be with one of us, or choose death.
I'll never leave, girlfriend.
So be it. Let's get 'em, girls. I'll never let you hurt him!
Yes, girlfriend, you're here to save me.
Shut up, idiot! I'm still mad at you!
Totally understandable. Please proceed.
You really think you're powerful enough to take us on by yourself? We've got powers you don't even know about. You're not even the only demonic being here. That may be true, but I've got something the three of you have only ever dreamed of. Boyfriend!
I'm free!
That's it! So then they attack! With pleasure! Pathetic! Monica! I'm on it! I guess I have to do it!
Nessa missão, estamos
Everything myself!
o meu coração vai vibrar com você. Nossa força vai se multiplicar. Também é ser companheiro. Use seu poder pra vencer o mal. Nada pode nos parar. Ser aventureiro também é ser companheiro. Vamos enfrentar, custe o que custar. O bem sempre vai ganhar.
Hey.
Player! It's a miracle!
No, I just respawned. This is a video game, remember?
Oh, I'll never die again.
I'll try.